Now Siri has got ChatGPT built in with Apple Intelligence, there's some really interesting and creative ways that you can use it by allowing it to access a screenshot of what's currently on your iPhone screen. What do I mean by that? Well, let's have a look for some pizza in Copenhagen, and it will become a lot clearer. On the map here, I could of course search for pizza in the search bar, and you're going to see lots of little dots light up Copenhagen. All of these probably serve a probably decent pizza, but how do I know where the best pizza is, somewhere I really want to go and visit while I'm in the city? Well, let's use ChatGPT to use some of its broader intelligence to find out the answer. So I'm just going to long press the lock button to bring up Siri, and then I'm going to ask ChatGPT just like this. Ask ChatGPT where would be a good place to grab a pizza based on this map. You can see it's working in the background, and it's going to ask if I'm happy to share a screenshot of what's currently on my phone. Tapping on here lets me choose between a screenshot and the full content, so if you're browsing a web page, for example, it can share the whole page. The screenshot is enough for me here, it can see the location that I'm currently browsing in, and now ChatGPT is going to use that image, analyse the content, and give me recommendations based on that particular context. And here, just like that, you can see it's recognised the district of Copenhagen, which perhaps is the right place to head towards if I fancy a good pizza. And whilst this is really useful, I do wish that it would also interact back with the Maps app on my phone and perhaps light up that location, but as of now that isn't possible. However, this information means I can then simply copy and paste and search for exactly what I want to find, and I suddenly have all the power of ChatGPT to help me make travel decisions using maps. And this will work in any app on your iPhone as well. Simply take a screenshot using ChatGPT, and it will give you content based on the context of what you're currently looking at. And that's pretty cool.